student researchers from Google DeepMind and Stanford University may have just given us a glimpse into the future of robotics. Mobile Aloha represents the future of robotics, engineering, and artificial intelligence, and it has ramifications that could alter the shape of your future. We'll get to that in a moment.
I'll be back.
Along the lines of things you thought you'd never do, I bet you never thought you'd see a robot cooking a 3-course meal, but there you have it. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. Would you invite an artificial intelligence-powered robot into your home? Well, in just a moment, I'm going to share with you how you can build the Mobile Aloha for free. Well, sort of. You still have to purchase the components, but relatively free. Welcome to the rise of the machines, people.
I warned you guys in 1984. You didn't listen.
This demonstration is absolutely mind-blowing. We have the ridiculously revolutionary Mobile Aloha, which you may have already seen starring in several viral Twitter videos. In a preview of what's to come in the very near future, the dexterity and mobility demonstrated by the robot are incredible on their own, but the fact that the robot is acting autonomously, powered by artificial intelligence, machine learning, is mind-blowing.
Wowie, wow, wow, wow.
But wait, there's more. Aloha is entirely open source. Anyone can build one for themselves, with the designs and video instructions on how to construct one for your own home.
Yes!
They're available online for free. I'll leave a link in the description below. On a comparison basis, far less functional, non-trainable household robots have sold for hundreds of thousands of dollars previously. The open source nature of the project will help alleviate some of the financial barriers to entry into the world of AI robotic household assistants. This still sounds weird to say. Keep in mind that while the Mobile Aloha is redefining robotics as we know it, this is just another step in the continuous evolution in the artificial intelligence and robotics industries. Let's dive in to see exactly what's going on here and how this thing actually works, because what it's doing is really extremely impressive just from a dexterity, fine motor skills, mobility, and the multitude of tasks it can perform perspective. But when you consider that it's performing those tasks autonomously through AI machine learning, this thing is freaking mind-blowing. Before we delve into exploring the AI aspects, let's first take a look at the hardware and see how Aloha interacts with the world. Using the static tabletop ARM design of its predecessor, the original Aloha, they place the original Aloha onto a well-engineered mobile base that allows for movement as fast as a brisk human walking pace, and stability for it to allow the arm functions to operate at a number of different declinations. The upper arm can function with intricate, precise, fine motor skills, requiring hand-eye coordination while fluidly coordinating movements with the mobile base. As impressive as it is to marvel at the base interacting with the arms, it is even more mind-blowing to see the arms interact with each other, performing its manual workloads in tandem, such as lifting a pan with one arm and simultaneously flipping a piece of shrimp with the other. Mobile manipulation at its finest, where the two arms are coordinating, each performing a separate function to accomplish a singular task together. Another example, holding the wine glass with one arm while cleaning the spill underneath with the other. This contextual environmental awareness, the AI being aware of and able to adapt to its environment, it's enabled through an array of cameras and sensors to perceive its surroundings. In one of the videos, they tried to mess with the robot. Fun fact, when encountering artificially intelligent autonomous robots, I would say generally a bad idea to F with the robots. But that's just my opinion. After they threw obstacles at the AI, bad idea. As it tried to cook, it perceived the obstacles and worked around them to accomplish its task, showing contextual and situational awareness of its environment. Well played. Now, let's get into the artificial intelligence behind the sky. They made Aloha. I know what you're thinking, that this is the point when the machines are going to rise up against us. We'll get to the T-1000 situation in a moment, but first, I want to show you... I know, it's cool, no problem, man. As I was saying, the AI enabling the Mobile Aloha is what allows it to perform its tasks autonomously as well as adapt to situational requirements. The artificial intelligence trains using a co-training model incorporating both imitation learning, mimicking human actions, cross-paired with supervised behavioral and clone learning from previously recorded Aloha data. When using this dual data set, conducting human training through the use of a special telop rig, specially designed for training purposes, the accuracy of the Mobile Aloha results can improve up to 90%, as compared to a single data set with no human training. And here's a crazy fun fact. The autonomous nature of the AI allows it to add new data sets not originally trained on. But let's circle back to that in just a moment. Could you imagine a future where every household ubiquitously had an AI-powered robot? People could argue that humans are faster, but I'd counter-argue that humans were no longer spending our time cooking, cleaning, and are now free to spend that time pursuing other endeavors. And also, this is just the first step. This is, well, a step, not the first, but this is just a step in the perpetual evolution of the technology. It is only going to get better. Future humanistic robots will have the speed and strength to overtake us all. So we should be nice to our future robot overlords and not throw obstacles in their way. All jokes aside, while the prospects for widespread household adoption may seem like it's a galaxy far away,
I am C-3PO.
the implications that Mobile Aloha and AI-enabled robotics are going to have on a job displacement, factory workers, manufacturers, processing plant workers, and warehousers is a very clear and present danger. For those of us that saw what was coming out of CES in Las Vegas this year, manufacturers are placing a big bet on the artificial intelligence-powered robotics industry. They are coming, people. Care to find out whose job AI is going to displace in the film industry? Check out this video here.
I'm back.
Oh right, the Skynet situation. Remember how Mobile Aloha could add tasks that it wasn't originally trained on? Therefore, Mobile Aloha can perform tasks that it is not directly prompted to do. While I let that one sink in, I'll remind you, Aloha also means goodbye.
Hasta la vista, baby.